how to install Regions mobile app on your phone. So let's just tap to get it, and this is one of the top financial apps which you can see. Our Regions mobile banking app is a convenient way to bank on the go with the award-winning service and features you expect. Bank where you want, when you want. It's simple and easy to securely log in with fingerprint facial recognition, access account and routing numbers, view details of transaction activity in the last 18 months, transfer funds, make mobile deposits, manage your financial health with budget and planning tools, send money to your family or friends, pay bills and all of that. So this is the app. So then you can just open it up, and then you can allow notifications. If you want, you can just create your account or don't. So here actually no, you can't create your account. You can just log in with your username you already created either on the website or via the bank. So yeah, you already need to have your account created. Use our secure site to retrieve your unique ID. You will need the email address and social security number associated with the account. So you already need to have your bank account with this bank created, and then you just only use the email address and SSN associated with the account to retrieve your username.